Do I look shiny? I might look a little shiny. I might look a little shiny, viewers. Hello, I am Mike Diamond. Welcome. If you follow me on Instagram, and all the cool kids do, you already know I'm a plant freak. I'm a plant addict. And today I'm doing a really exciting video. I am doing an unboxing. I got this box delivered from Logee's Plants, and I'm super duper duper excited to find out what's inside. And for the record, this isn't like a paid promotion. I'm not getting paid for this. I didn't pay for these plants. Logee sent them to me out of the goodness of their hearts, and also because I'm fierce. So the first thing we're gonna do is open this big package. And y'all know I love a big package. Luckily, I have this very sharp blade on my person at all times because, you know, I live in New York City and sometimes it bees like that. So let's get to it. So this is Philodendron, Prince of Orange. She is a beauty. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. He is very orange. He is living his tangerine dream. Get into it. It's very autumnal. He is serving you pumpkin spice latte, darling. And I just also want to point out, everything is packaged really nicely in this, all this stuff to keep all the soil from falling everywhere. Philodendron, Prince of Orange. Now, I think this type of philodendron is called a self-heading philodendron. Self-heading. I'm going to avoid any kind of sassy comment there. All that means is it doesn't vine, and it grows like in this sort of like rosette formation, I think. Oh, my new drag name, Rosette Formation. Hello, hello. Oh, this is a Syngonium podophyllum variegata. It's a variegated arrowhead vine. Y'all, get into it. That is so pretty. So this will be a vining beast at some point. I love variegated plants. I love any freak of nature, including you, viewer. Foliage plants are super, super, super hot right now, and I am absolutely thrilled with Miss Arrowhead. I might attach her to like a moss pole, if I can figure out where to get one or how to make one. Moss pole, that is. See, this is why it sucks to be single. If I had a husband, I could just say, yo, go get me a moss pole somewhere, Hector. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is Quesnelia marmorata. Quesnelia marmorata. She is serving you 101 Dalmatians, darling. Look at that. I think marmorata means spotted, or maybe marbleized. This is a bromeliad. It's in the pineapple family. I'm loving it. So if you're someone that likes structure and just simplicity of form, Quesnelia marmorata, which is also my old stage name. Look at her. Look at the spots. Get into it. She's also got like kind of sharp edges, but meh, who doesn't these days? Honey, Miss Quesnelia, she's not playing around with her like Art Deco design features. You know, with her spots and her swirls. Spots and swirls. Quesnelia marmorata. I love this one. I love bromeliads too because they're so easy to grow. Oh, I know this girl. This is a Begonia maculata Wightii, aka polka dot begonia. And I think it's pretty clear why they call her that. She is a Begonia maculata Wightii. I think maybe maculata means spotted. Marmorata means something else? Well, anyway, she's got spots. Logee's is known for their begonias. They have all kinds of beautiful begonias, including this one. They have rhizomatous and fibrous and, oh, I'm forgetting the angel wings. They have begonias that are their own hybrids that they create. They have a new one called Martha Stewart because everybody loves Miss Martha, honey, and everybody loves begonias. This is Begonia maculata Wightii polka dot. Are you seeing spots? I like this plant. It's super trippy. Go ask Alice. I think she'll know. Oh, Lordy. You guys, I have been wanting this plant, you guys. Okay, so this is Epipremnum pinnatum Philodendron Cebu blue. This is sometimes referred to as a pothos, which is like, you see them in every office. But this variety has sort of more like pointy leaves, and it has, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, it has sort of like a bluish green tint to it. Wow, I love this plant. She's hard to find, honey, but thank you, Logees. Epipremnum pinnatum Cebu blue. Cebu blue. Living. You guys, this plant, whoa, okay, I'm kind of tripping on this one. This is a Philodendron melanochrysum. Philodendron melanochrysum, also called black gold philodendron. Wow, I'm tripping. Look at those beautiful velvety leaves. Philodendron melanochrysum, aka black gold philodendron. Also in the Arrowhead family, Arrowheads are great for foliage plants. Foliage plants are really happening right now. I really hope the top of my head has not been cut off for this entire video because I've just been so excited about the plants. I am genuinely tripping out about this one. This is like, and not because it's rare. I mean, it is rare. I'm tripping out because it's so gorgeous. It has this like velvety sheen to it. I love it. And it's got aerial roots, which in nature would help it cling to a tree trunk. You know, one time I had to cling to a tree trunk. I was on a bad mescaline trip in Hawaii, and there I was clinging to a tree trunk for like 6 hours, but that has nothing to do with this beautiful plant. Philodendron melanochrysum black gold. I want to call her Jungle Boogie. She's a philodendron. You know, I knew a cabaret performer from Dublin named Philodendron. Yeah, nobody likes that either. Wow! Gagging. Wow! I'm probably shinier than I was at the beginning of this video, and maybe the top of my head has been cut off, but I'll tell you this. I have finally found true love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ow, that one hurt. Thank you, Logee's Tropical Plants, and thank you, viewers, for tuning into this unboxing video. I will see you next time. Grow on, girl!